Hello, kids. Good morning. How are you doing? Well, I hope everybody's fine. I'm glad to be here one more day here with all of you. Okay, everything is fine around here, and just looking for the days to see each other. All right, we'll see each other very, very soon. Okay, now we are going to continue with Unit 10. We're going to finish the unit today. Okay, I'm going to go through very fast with the vocabulary and the main parts of this unit. Okay, and later on, I'm going to explain you the last worksheet. Okay, I'm going to do a listening. All right, for you, and that's it. We're done with this unit. Finally, we're almost done with the book. So come on, cheer up, guys. All right, we can do it. Okay, and remember we were doing our hobbies. Okay, and here we have some vocabulary words that we are using through the whole book. Okay, all right. For example, we have badminton. Here we have table tennis, painting, hockey, and baseball. All right. Most of them are sports. Okay, but they are hobbies. Okay, painting is not a sport. All right. There's there's many hobbies. Okay, they don't have to be sports. Okay, and to have fun at home and outside of home. All right. Now we're gonna go through. We're gonna go to the next page, the next four. Okay, and here's one thing that we need to learn. Okay, I like, I love, and I don't like. These words we use it all the time, every day. All right, as we speak, because I like this. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, you put your point of view. All right, on what you dislike and what you like. Okay. Now I want to make a mention here of the difference between like and love. Like and love is almost the same, but when you say I love something, it's because you double like. That means it's more than like. Okay, that's what we say. I love my mommy or I love my daddy. Okay, you don't say I like my mommy. You always say I love my mommy. You see, it's like double like, even triple like, the most of likes. Okay, here there's a clear example. Okay, you see two hearts. When you see two hearts, that means love. I love fishing. I love flying kites. And here there's only one heart. I like taking photos. Yeah, I have fun. I like it. But there's things that you love. Okay, you love the most. Okay, I love swimming. I love painting. I love swimming again. Okay, so that's the difference. And here you see a cross heart. That means I don't like driving. Okay, I don't like cleaning shoes, train. I don't like cooking. Hey, I like cooking. I love cooking. All right. Okay, so and here in this other case, all right. So here we got the things that likes and things that dislikes. Okay, that means that doesn't. Okay, doesn't they don't like. It doesn't like. He doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. Okay. All right. Very very simple. I hope you get it. So remember, I like or I love, and I don't like. Okay, let's go for the next page, page 76. And we did words that finish in ng, the ends in ng. For example, king, sing, morning. The king sings in the morning. And the dog doesn't like it. Okay, look at the poor dog. It's like, oh, please stop. Okay. All right. Now here, there's some questions that you're supposed to be doing to your friends, but you can do it. You can do it to your friends too. Maybe you see them on the street. You know, you see it outside, and you just tell them, hey, do you like reading? And your friend's supposed to say, yes, I love it. More than like it, I love it. Well, with a like, it's okay, okay? But don't say I don't, all right? Reading is good for you. You learn a lot, okay? And it's marvelous, okay? So, do you like playing basketball? Do you like reading? NG, okay? ING in this case, okay? Playing, reading, fishing, okay? Playing tennis. Do you like painting? And what's your favorite hobby? Okay, this ing, okay, a person with the present perfect, okay, and sorry, present continuous. And we done this in the class. How to add up an ing, okay, to a verb, okay. So here we are using verbs, all right. But we'll go through that later on, okay. And that's it right here. Now we're going to go to the activity book. Okay. And I'm going to do, let's see if it goes on. I'm going to do this listening for you guys. There we go. It takes a while, but it works. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to do this listening for you guys. And you can do the listening through the books that I send you. Okay. But I'd rather if you listen to me and get that accent, okay? So we understand each other better. Okay, now we're going to start. Look, listen and match. What we have to do is match with these pictures, match them in each sentence, okay? Now look, number one, a long dog, a long dog. C, you see a C right there? Okay, well, we're talking about this dog, a long dog. Okay, now you got to do the rest. Let's see. Number two, the boys eating. The boys eating. Number three, she's singing a song. She's singing a song. Number four, the king's reading. The king's reading. Number five, she's painting. She's painting. Okay, very fast. Number two, the boy's eating. Number three, she's singing a song. Number four, the king's reading. And number five, she's painting. Okay, I think it's very simple. Now, 9, read, check, and write the words. Okay, you probably you're not going to use most of them. Remember, okay. I think there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of all this. Okay, so now here you have school already checked because we're using the word school here. It says, "Hello, I'm Tom. Now I'm at school. I'm playing." What you can play with here. Okay. All right. And I'm wearing a red and white. I don't know. You can wear these two things, but I think this is red right here. How do you call this? It starts with a T. Okay. Dash, remember? Okay. And long blue. Long blue. Okay, you can put two things right there. I'll let you use two things, but we remember we start like with a J. Jeans. Oops, sorry. Okay. I like doing sport. For lunch today, I got some yum yum and ooh, we have an and here, so that way you cannot mistake right here. Okay, because when you put an and, that's because the next word right here starts with a vowel. Remember? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so take a look and see which one starts with a vowel. And I like having lunch at school. Great. Okay, if you have this book, if you have it at home, okay, and you have the stickers, all right. Well, here is very simple. Remember that these words here are misplaced, okay? So write it down in the correct order and put the picture that belongs to the words, okay? I think this is very simple. Remember, it's the same vocabulary that we did at the beginning of the unit. Okay, well, kids, thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have fun. Stay home. This is almost over. Okay, and I hope to see you very soon. Okay, love you all. Bye bye. Take care. See you next week.